The Sultan was a good ruler. The Qazi was an honest and upright man. The guards refused to let the officer go inside the palace. The officer could not return without serving the summons. Yes or no? Did the Sultan want to kill the widow's son? No. Did the Sultan have a deep regard for the law? Yes. Was the Qazi an honest man? Yes. Bow and arrow, needle and thread, cup and saucer, shoes and socks. Opposites: Eastern, Western, honest, dishonest, inside, outside, enter, exit, A and the Qazi was an honest and upright man. Means here you have to write first वाले डैश में द और दूसरे वाले डैश में एन. ओके, क्योंकि एच क्या है, एक वॉवल है. देन व्हाट कम्स वॉवल्स के बिफोर क्या आता है, एन. एंड द काजी, he sent an officer to summon the Sultan to his court. When the officer reached the palace, the guards stopped him. The officer was now in a fix. He could not return without serving the summons to the Sultan. The Qazi would not take him back.